So, emergency generator engine, battery, charger, charging yung battery, and ito yung engine, ito yung ating tangke ng diesel. Ayan, telephone communication. Ayan, so ito yung kabuuan ng ating makina, ng ating emergency generator. So ito yung isang paraan sa pag-start. Ayan. And then battery started also. So dito, ayan, ito yung battery. So ito yung start and stop button. Ito, meron tayong instruction how to start. Ayan ang procedure natin. And then we have the panel board. Okay.